Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. So right here I have a 2012 Kia Soul. So I just want to show you how to replace your or I should say change your what they call it, crankshaft position sensor. So let me show you a little safety first. So you at your home doing it yourself. What you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure you get a jack up the car properly and that cross member piece there. Gonna securely put this jack stand underneath also and leave the jack under there for more safety. And this is the sensor right here that I'm going to change. So I get this one on from AutoZone. So I get this one from AutoZone, guys. They ordered it for me. And this is what the sensor look like. This is right there, guys. And also the sensor located right here on the front of the motor. As you can see right here, guys, this is the sensor right here next to the oil filter. So this is it right here, guys. And then go to this harness right here. This is right here, guys. So I'm gonna squeeze this tab right here, this piece, squeeze and pull just like that, guys. And then I'm going to remove it from there's a bracket on it. I think I should just get this piece out of the way. I should use the pliers. Okay, so I get it to remove out the way so I can see what's going on up here. So this piece on a bracket right here, guys, I'm going to have to try and see if I can get it off. Okay, and there you go, guys. So I just push it off. So I go on this piece of metal bracket right here. I don't know if y'all can see it properly, but that's it right there, guys. That's where it go. And also I have another clip right here. Just gonna pull it off just like that, guys. And the tool I'm going to use to remove the sensor is a 10mm socket. 10mm, guys, and you go right here, and there you go. Remove the bolt. Now get the bolt out and remove the sensor. Just a little wiggle. And there you go, guys. So this is what the sensor look like. So what the vehicle do, it take a long to crank. Whenever the vehicle get really hot, it won't crank easily. It take forever. But when you do crank, give a check engine light. And what it do, guys, it even make the car smoke and stalling, guys, like it have a misfire. So let me just install a new one. And there you go. So just pop it right in back just like that. Put him at the screw. Lock it back with this 10mm socket. And there you go, right there. Let me fix back the wire harness. One of them go right here, guys. Just like that. And I'm going to place back this piece over the bracket. Slide it down. There you go, right there. Plug back the wire harness on top of it. some reason. Hold on. That seal right there. Shift. Let me see if I can fix it right there. So sometimes these seals give it a little problem. Alright, so get it in, guys, just like that. Catch up this piece right here. There we go. And that's how easy you replace your crankshaft position sensor, guys, in your 2012 Kia Soul. I saw this light that I get from all of Harbor Freight. It's really good, magnetic light. I also have a hook, I can hook it up. That's it right there, guys, super bright. Alright, so I'm going to remove it from the jack and crank it right up. So this is just a dive video, guys. So if you have your own car having that issue, scan it and get a code for the oxygen sensor. Sorry, not the oxygen sensor, guys. I do so much oxygen sensor during the day. For the crankshaft position sensor. Okay. Right there. I'll get my scanner. Alright, so let me hook the scanner up real quick. So this scanner, you can go to eBay or Amazon and order this scanner right here. Auto link AL519. So right here underneath the steering column, this is where I plug the scanner. So right here, guys, underneath this piece right here to the left hand side. I'm going to switch the ignition on. Alright, so let me scan it now and see if I get any code. No code is there, so I'm just gonna see if any pending. Pending codes, permanent. Okay, so that's it right there, guys. P0335, that's for the crankshaft position sensor A. So that's what I just changed. So I'm going to clear the computer, go to erase code. Okay, and there you go, guys. So let me crank the vehicle up. Usually when I crank it, give a little hesitation to crank. When I do rev it, give a lot of smoke. Now it's revving, guys. It's right there. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.